Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm gonna discuss the Notepad++. So first of all, what is the Notepad++? The Notepad++ is a simple software. It is an editor which we are going to use to code the JavaScript, or you can say that jQuery. So it is so simple. Here in the Google, I'm gonna write Notepad++. And here it is. Here you can download this software freely. You don't need to pay any dollar. And here click on this download. Here click on this and it's going to download. So here you can see that it is a small software, Notepad++, and you can download it and install it. So it is an easy software, you can understand it clearly. I have already installed it, and here is when you open it, so it look like this. We have already a notepad that is the default notepad in the Windows. Here you can see that here it is. So it is it have not any feature as compared to this Notepad++. Here you can code your files of the HTML, CSS, or mostly web development languages, or can be coded in this software. So from the very next video, we are going to create the JavaScript files and the HTML files. Here, first of all, I'm going to show you how to render and execute and save the files of the jQuery. Here, first of all, this is the file. First of all, we have to save it. Go to this file icon, save as, and here I'm gonna save it on my desktop, and here I'm gonna write the file name is new, and then we have to select the type of the file. Here you can see that the JavaScript file .js extension, and here is the HTML file have the .html extension. You can select this extension, and here is the new .js extension is added, and you can also write it on your own .js. So you can save this file. So now it's going to save on my desktop. So now here I'm gonna view all the icons. So now it is here, and here you can see that I have also another editor. So this is the logo of the other editor, and when I open it in the Notepad++, so it is an empty file of the jQuery. So now in this way you have to save the file for the HTMLs and the jQuery, so then the JavaScript will work. I will do these things. I will download the jQuery library and all the things in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any problems, so kindly add the discussion. I will solve your problem.